channel, and today we are going to watch Chainsawman opening song. So let's get started. Oh my god, Mappa. So clean, man. The animation is so clean. What is that baby Sancho? I have no idea what's going on, man. Looks like they're enjoying. Power? Oh my god. I guess they're going to show us the character's name. Whoa, animation! Dude, the chainsaw, it's coming from his head? This is going to be a fabulous anime, man! Ooh. Power. He looks like a monster, man. I mean, yeah, he looks like a monster. What I'm saying. Oh. These two were enjoying, man. Is that it? I don't know what to say, man, but the animation look really clean, and I guess it is releasing today, I guess, the episode. I'm really excited to watch it, and if you like this mini video, do like and subscribe to my channel, Romeja. Thank you.